Weigh bridge. Truck scales or weigh bridges are large scales usually mounted permanently on a concrete foundation that are used to weigh entire vehicles and their contents. By weighing the vehicle both empty and when loaded, the load carried by the vehicle can be calculated. Let's see how it works. First, we measure the truck when it's not loaded. Weight of unloaded truck is 4500 kgs. Then we measure the truck when it's loaded. Weight of loaded truck is 11,000 kgs. So, to find out the weight of material the truck is carrying, we get the variance in the weight of the truck. To measure the weight of the truck, we use Pascal's law. Pascal's law. The increase in pressure at one point of the enclosed liquid in equilibrium of rest is transmitted equally to all other points of the liquid and also to the walls of the container. The effect of gravity is neglected. Mathematically, F1 and F2 are two forces acting on 2 points respectively. So, F1 equals to P1A and F2 equals to P2A. Since the liquid is in equilibrium state, so F1 equals to F2. Then P1A equals to P2A. Here P1 and P2 are pressures, so P1 equals to P2. This is Pascal's law. Work done on compression. WLS equals to F1 D1. Work done on expansion. WRS equals to F2 D2. So, D2 equals to F1 upon F2 into D1. From Pascal's law, P1 equals to P2. So, F1 upon A1 equals to F2 upon A1. F1 upon F2 equals to A1 upon A2. So, D2 equals to A1 upon A2 into D1. A1 is greater than A2, so D2 is greater than D1. Thus, a small displacement on one side upon which truck is standing have a big impact on the other side, which helps us to measure the weight on weighing scale. D2 is greater than D1. This happens because A1 is very large than A2. So, A1 is greater than A2. Weight of the loaded truck WL equals to 11,000 kgs. Weight of the unloaded truck WUL equals to 4,500 kgs. So, the weight of load equals to WL minus WUL, that is 6,500 kgs.